In this section, I was going to start looking at how I was going to put YouTube videos into and begin advertising my business about Notion. And I discovered that it wasn't quite so easy to add a new channel to my account. So I'm going to show you how to do that and what I discovered along the way as I started doing this as well. So I Googled around and found the relevant Google videos that showed me how to do it. So you go to your YouTube account, you click on your avatar, and then you go to settings, and you click on create a new channel, and then you add the channel name. So I'm going to call this a Business Notion. And what you're actually doing, what I discovered, is that I'm creating a whole new Google account. And I think this is a fairly recent update with YouTube in how they do this. And so what happens with this is that if I want to later on allow other people or someone else, an administrator, to manage this account, I can do that. If hopefully as the business grows, I need to add staff or have other people manage certain aspects of my business, then they can do that through this way of doing it. So it's a new channel, but it also is a new account as well within my overall account. So then I can create that account. And wait. And then you can see that I have a new video account. And this account has no videos. I can then not Google, but I can sign or alternate between this and my other account as well. So it's ready to go.